Janome.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can practice your quilting without breaking the budget. So, I have already done a whole piece of my fabric where I've just free motion quilted, just practicing feathers and pebbles and different quilting motifs that I've watched videos on. And I don't want to have to waste more backing and batting. So when I'm in the practice mode of learning something, what I do is I take that old fabric out of my stash that I bought 5 years ago and I don't like anymore, and I just layer it on top of what I've already quilted. And I will tack it down with my machine, and then I will practice on this piece. And that way, the only thing that I'm having to replace is just the top fabric each time I practice a new motif.